Are you frustrated trying to find a reliable 24V1A power supply that won't let you down? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. NC24V1A AC Adapter. The NC24V1A AC adapter priced at just $7.99. What caught my attention here was its simplicity and efficiency for powering low-voltage devices. If you want a reliable adapter that does exactly what it's supposed to, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This adapter can convert from 100 volts to 240 volts AC to 24 volts DC, offering a maximum output of 1A. That means it's perfect for devices like CCTV cameras, LED strip lights, and even some routers. With over 1,000 units sold just this past month, you know others trust it too. Plus, it has built-in safety features like overcurrent and short-circuit protection to keep your equipment safe. Now, some people complained about its lack of versatility regarding device compatibility, especially for devices that require a higher current. Here's the thing now, if you're only using it for devices that draw 1A or less, like LED lights or small cameras, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward and budget-friendly power supply for basic electronic devices. Skip this one if you have higher power requirements or need versatility in your devices. For under $8, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if the limited compatibility of the NC adapter bothers you, this next one might catch your eye with its interchangeable plugs. Product number 2 is the TriThink 24V1A power supply, retailing at $11.99. I was impressed by its flexibility, especially with the 9 interchangeable plugs it comes with. If you want something that can adapt to various devices without hassle, this is definitely worth considering. This power supply takes in 100 to 240 volts and outputs a stable 24 volts at 1A, making it suitable for a range of electronic devices strictly requiring 24 volts. The 6-foot power cord is a nice touch, giving you plenty of reach for your setup. The interchangeable plugs ensure you can connect it to various devices, reducing the need for multiple adapters. Given that it's ETL certified, you can trust that safety standards are met. However, some users noted that it doesn't work with smartphones or devices requiring lower voltages, which can be limiting. But if your devices operate strictly on 24 volts, that's not really an issue. This is perfect for you if you have multiple 24-volt devices and want a single adapter that can handle them all. Skip this if you need something for a device that operates on a different voltage. At this price point, you're getting a lot of flexibility. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value security features. Product number 3. Aliexpress 24V1A Adapter. Honestly, what stood out to me was its strong safety features, which genuinely surprised me for the price. If you want peace of mind knowing your devices are protected, this is worth a look. This power adapter converts 100 to 240 VAC into 24 VDC with a maximum output of 1A. It's compatible with devices like LED lights, routers, and security cameras. The built-in short-circuit protection, overload cutoff, and overvoltage cutoff are excellent features that ensure your devices are safe from damage. With over 200 units sold recently, this one is clearly gaining traction. However, a few users pointed out that the plug size can be tricky if you aren't familiar with it. Here's the thing though, as long as you check your device's specifications, you'll be fine. It's a small trade-off for the overall quality and safety it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a power supply that prioritizes safety without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something with more versatility in plug sizes. For $9, you're getting a safe and reliable option. Now, if you're looking for something even more comprehensive, the next product ups the game with an extra long cord. Product number 4. The MTYTOT 24V1A power supply, priced at just $6.97. I was pleasantly surprised by how affordable it is while still providing solid features. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a great choice. This adapter supports input from 100 to 240V and can output 24V DC at 1A. Its 4.6-foot power cord is decent, but what I found particularly useful is that it's specifically designed for devices under 1A. So if you need it for LED strips or smaller cameras, it'll do the job without any issues. It's also got a short circuit protection feature to keep your devices secure. That said, some users mentioned that it isn't suitable for charging devices with batteries, which could be a deal breaker for some. But here's the upside. If you're only powering devices, it's reliable and functional, making it suitable for many applications. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, budget-friendly option for your 24V devices. Skip this if you need to charge batteries or run high-powered equipment. For under $7, it's a steal. Now, if you need even more reach, stick around for the last product, which offers an extra long power cord. Number 5, we have the MTD ZKJG 24V 1A power supply, priced at $9.69. What caught my attention was its impressive 10-foot power cord, which is fantastic for hard-to-reach outlets. If you absolutely need flexibility with cord length, you should consider this one. Like the others, it converts 100 to 240 volt AC to 24 volt DC with a 1A output. The extra long 10-foot cord means you can set up devices without worrying about outlet placement. It also has similar safety features like short circuit and temperature cutoff, ensuring your equipment is protected. Given its features, it's a strong contender among the options. But some users did find it a bit bulkier than other models due to the longer cable, which could be cumbersome in tight spaces. But if you need that extra length, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you have devices that are far from the outlet and you don't want to use extension cords. Skip this if you're short on space and want something more compact. At $9.69, it's a solid investment for the extra convenience it offers. To quickly recap, we looked at 5 great options for 24V 1A power supplies. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the TriThink model because of its flexibility with interchangeable plugs, making it ideal for various devices. Definitely avoid the MYTOT if you need to charge devices, as it's not suitable for that. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.